Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the right stick clip for your hair density and length. This matters because fit prevents slippage. Once done, detangle the intended section and lift it slightly. Make sure to open the clip fully and position it at a 45 degrees angle to the scalp so the teeth will grip layers. Insert the hair so the clip catches both roots and mid-lengths, not just ends, and close it gently to test hold before moving to styling. You now weave strands into the clip teeth to create a genuine anchor rather than a surface hold. This prevents slipping during movement. Next, twist or fold the section once for a compact shape, then close the clip firmly so it locks the hair. If the clip feels loose, slide it a few millimeters toward the crown to increase tension. Once secure, smooth flyaways with fingers or a light spritz so the finish looks intentional and lasts longer. You finish by checking the clip's balance so it holds without tugging. Move your head gently to confirm stability. For thicker or long hair, supplement with a second clip or anchor the base with a small elastic because support distributes weight. If it slips, inspect teeth. Roughening the inner surface slightly or switching to a larger size usually fixes it. Finally, make sure the clip sits flush. When everything feels secure, you're ready to go with a polished, comfortable hold.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.